Hi Kuya Miko! Hi Ate Angel! Congrats sa baby nyo. And ang aking gender na gusto is babae.
It's a boy.
It's a girl. Congratulations. Oh.
Hi, Angel baby. It's girl o nano ko? Ang hula ko ay babae. It's a girl.
I think it's a boy, cause like, I hope it's a boy. I want a boy cousin. I want to take care of him even though he's not alive. I think
Ako ano po? Girl! Team girl!
Ito ang hula ko.
Feeling ko yung baby nila Angel ay boy!
So, July. So, sana maging healthy yung baby. So, I'm hoping na baby girl. Baby girl.
It's a baby girl.
Baby girl. Baby girl.
It's a boy!
Girl. It's a girl. Hi, girl.
Lula, yan Miko, congrats! I think it's a girl. Ate Be, anong hula mo?
Girls.
Hello, Ate Lu! Miko, it's a girl for me.
Hello Ma'am Lu, Miko. It's a boy for me of course. Enjoy!
Hi, Ma'am Lu! I think it's a boy! Hello, baby! You're a girl! See you soon!
Love you, boy!
Baby boy ako, hula ko. Ay, sila girl, ako baby boy.
It's a boy. Yes, boy, boy, boy.
Ang hula ko ay baby girl. Kasi blooming na blooming ka pa din. Congratulations to you and Miko.
I have a feeling it's a boy. It's a boy. Boy. Boy, boy, boy. Say boy. Boy.
Siyempre, ang hula ko dapat lalaki. Para junior.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Okay.
It's a boy.
I think it's a girl.
Babae!
Hi, Lulay and Miko. So, ang hula ko, baby boy.
Dylan, look at that. Dylan, what's this? It's a B for boy. Boy! We are for Team Boy. Congrats, Miko and Lou. God bless. Love, 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 love.
Ang unang pamangkin ko, anak ni ate at ni Kuya Miko. Tingin ko, sana lalaki.
Lalaki anak mo, Jel. Pag lalaki, good luck.